Cindy, what are we making today?
Well, we're going to make a really easy, healthy, high-protein salad.
Awesome, I love salads.
I know you do. I can tell.
All right.
So what we're going to be using is white beans.
Okay.
Okay, there's about 5 different varieties of white beans, and my favorite is the cannella bean. Okay, it kind of looks like a white kidney bean. It's meatier. It's got an earthy flavor, a lot of meaty, nutty kind of flesh to it. It's great in soups and stews. The Italians use it for minestrone.
Right. Oh, one of my favorite.
Yeah, minestrone, yeah. Okay, so what we've got here is some cannellis. Go ahead and throw those in there, and some fresh parsley.
Ooh.
You're going to add some olive oil.
I know, Cindy measurements, how much?
Now,
Just dump. I never put enough
That's
in.
good.
Oh,
Yeah.
good, there we go.
That's good, because remember, part of this is going to go on top of your salad as well. So it's not just coating your beans, it's also going to be coating your lettuce as
So
well.
it's the dressing, basically.
Yep.
What's this?
Yep. And so what we have in here is a little red crushed pepper, some Himalayan pink black pepper, a little garlic powder, and
Mix it.
yeah, mix it up a little bit, yeah, before we squeeze on the lemon. And we're just going to take that.
Oh, those red peppers give it some nice color.
No, it doesn't. It's just a real nice flavor.
Squeeze.
Crushed garlic is also in there as well.
I can smell it.
Yeah, I know, it's good. Oh, yeah.
Enough?
Okay, wait a second. You got a seed right here. You don't want to do that. Sometimes it's best to use a tiny little
Strainer? Colander?
Yeah. So here, watch. Look here.
Oh, you got a seed, Cindy.
Oh, okay, I'm fired. All right.
I got it.
Okay. So stir that around real good. Okay.
What's next?
Now, those are the candy walnuts.
Got them.
Okay. Now, I know nobody else can.
Shake like.
Here, just.
Oh, it smells delicious.
Okay, now imagine, like, you could just even take this and put this on a fresh.
You could eat it by itself.
On Italian bread. Oh my God, it's great. And then what we do is we're going to take
Now,
just
what
a
is that?
little. This is balsamic glaze in the jar, but you can make your own. You can just take balsamic vinegar, put it in a small saucepan like this, and just reduce it until you get this.
And then you have,
this
that's great.
It's probably
See.
less than a half it to get the syrupy kind of consistency.
Okay.
And then what we did is then we put it on top of.
Imagine serving that. That's beautiful.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you, Cindy.
Okay, well, you enjoy.